It's your boy Trip, and we here with our first YouTube car video, y'all. In today's video, I'm not gonna keep it long. In today's video, we're just gonna be doing a couple, a couple new things I bought from my car. This is my 2017 F30 right here. Um, you know, so I bought a spoiler, and we got this little handle thingy right here that we're gonna put right here. So let's see how it looks when we're done. Let's see. So I'm about to get everything prepped, switch over to my headgear, and record everything. So this is how the car looking right now. It's a little bit dirty, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So I did a muffler delete on it. As y'all can see, I got a little tip right here. Fortunately, I didn't have a camera then, but now I have a camera. So let's get into the video, y'all. Let's get into the video. Be back. First thing first, we have to prep our location, you feel me? So I just got some wipes here, you feel me? I watched the video. They're like, oh, use alcohol, whatever case might be. So I just prepped the whole thing with some wipes. I don't know what the freak is on this shit, but I got it off. Yeah, so I just prepped it with some wipes. There we go. Just give them 1-2 wipes. Wipe it down. Make sure there's no dirt on it. Alright, we're gonna start with the spoiler first. They gave me a few little, double-sided tape with it. Yeah, they gave me double-sided tape. I think that's glue, maybe. But yeah, let's unwrap this. We're gonna have to make a little bit of mess. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a little bit of mess. Actually, let's just throw all the garbage in inside that box. So put that right there. No, let's just put this shit. Motherfucker, get the fuck out. Ugh. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm seeing properly, because if y'all can't, it's gonna be annoying. Okay, I should be able to. Yeah, we're just gonna rip this shit. Is it me, or like when it's cold, like I can't rip shit properly? I don't know why. Yeah, this shit is a pain in the ass, bro. Ooh, looking nice. Yeah. So that's how it's looking right now. Okay, so this is a little clip of what I've done so far. Again, I'm not a professional at this shit. I'm just doing my best. Maybe it could be done better, but this is the way I'm doing it. I'm gonna put as much tape on it because, by the way, I was looking for my scissors and I couldn't find it, but I'm gonna put as much tape on it because I spent money on this shit. I don't want this shit to fly off while I'm fucking speeding on the highway. So this is how it's looking. Yeah, let me remove the tape and put it on, and I'll show you how it looks right after. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks right now. We put the spoiler on. I don't see, I think I did pretty good, not gonna lie. Y'all let me know. I think I did pretty good. I think the car looks a little bit different, but I'm gonna just wait until I put on like the other stuff I have to put on, and then let's see. But I think I put enough tape on it. It doesn't move. That's one thing I did. I made sure I put a lot of tape on it so it doesn't move. Like, I really don't want the shit flying off on the highway, because but y'all let me know how it looked. Pretty nice, clean. Yeah, let me know. Alright, y'all, so far we done. We just added on the side things. I don't even know the name of it. It just looks mad cool to me. Just look how they look, y'all.
tell me this make the car look so much better, yo. So I added them on. Yeah, and this is the spoiler, y'all. Look how good this spoiler looks, yo. Let me get the sunlight so y'all can see properly. It's so clean. Look at that. Yo. Yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a little go around on the car so y'all can see how it looks. So yeah, this is my 2017 F30. I'm gonna be doing hella modifications on this. It may not be some crazy ass mods, but okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start and yeah, and a couple revs so y'all can hear how this should sound. Yo, that shit sound mad sweet. Hopefully y'all heard, like, hopefully y'all heard it. The audio is shit. The audio should be good. I'm working on buying a microphone, but yeah, let me know what modifications y'all want me to do to my car, like what other modifications. I know I gotta change my rims or at least spray them black for now, but y'all let me know whatever questions y'all have, modifications. Just drop that shit down in the comment. Make sure y'all hit that like, don't forget, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all on the road. I'm about to make this video like a 10-minute video, you know. Yeah, appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all boys on the road.